Jai Hind students. Here I am Kanchan, your English teacher, and this time I have taken the third part of the chapter Glimpses of India. So here third part of the chapter is here, tea from Assam. You will come to know about tea plantation in Assam. So let's begin. Pranjal, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. Pranjal's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam, and Pranjal has invited Rajveer to visit his home during summer vacation. So here Rajveer and Pranjal, they are traveling to Assam by train, as Pranjal has invited Rajveer to visit his home. So when they were in train, garam chai, a vendor means seller, called out in a high pitched voice. He was speaking in a very high voice. He came up to their window and asked, "Chai saab, chai. Give us 2 cups," Pranjal said. They sipped the steaming hot liquid. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea. Means they started enjoying, and all the passengers, they were also enjoying. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? राजवीर ने पूछा कि तुमको पता है कि 80 करोड़ कप चाय पी जाती है रोज. View, and exclaimed Pranjal, and Pranjal was exclaimed, "Oh, view! Tea really is very popular." The train pulled out of the station, and Pranjal buried his nose in his detective book again. Means he started reading that detective book again. Rajveer too was an ardent fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at because Rajveer wanted to see the ways, the plantation of tea on the way. So he was looking outside. It was green everywhere. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before because he was living in Delhi. And then the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes, and tea bushes were there, and in the mid of them paddy fields were there that were giving the way. It was a magnificent means wonderful sight, and against the backdrop of densely wooden hills, a sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. Means tea bushes were there, stretched, and dwarfing the tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy shade trees, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes, bushly moved doll-like figures. So the tea pluckers were there in the tea bushes, and they were just looking like doll figures. Now in the distance was an ugly building with smoke, and an ugly building was there, and billowing out of tall chimneys, and smoking was coming out. Hey, a tea garden! Rajveer was very happy looking that. Pranjal, who had been born and brought up, Pranjal, because he was brought up there, and his childhood, he had spent his childhood days. So it was not surprising for him, but it was surprising for Rajveer. "Oh, this is tea country now," he said. "Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world, and now you will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime." Means you will see enough gardens that you will never forget. Then Rajveer said, "No one really knows who had discovered tea, but there are many legends." Legends means stories. Many legends are there behind it. What legends? Well, there is one about the Chinese emperor, and means there was a Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. Now one day few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water, giving it a delicious flavor. एक दिन जब वो पानी उबाल रहा था, तो ट्विग्स का मतलब कुछ सूखी हुई टहनियों से पत्तियां गिर गईं, है ना. तो twigs means टहनियां, and branches that are dried. So leaves from those leaves of those twigs fell into that boiling water, and this made the water tasty. Tell me another. And again Pranjal asked. We have in an Indian legend, and again Rajbir was telling कि एक Indian legend है कि जिसमें Buddhist ascetic था, and he cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. So वहाँ पे एक बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क था, बुद्धिस्ट एसेटिक था, जिसने अपनी आईलिड्स कटवा दी थी कि बिकॉज ही थॉट दैट ही वुड बी स्लीपी ड्यूरिंग हिज मेडिटेशन टाइम. द लीव्स ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स grew out of the eyelids, और these eye plants are due to those eyelids. तो it is believed कि उसी की eyelids हैं जो tea leaves के form में फिर से they grow up. And the leaves of these plants when put in hot water and drunk banished sleep. And in this way if we drink water, if we drink hot water with those leaves, tea leaves, then it just swept away our sleeping. Now sleep can be away from that due to that. Tea was first drunk in China, Rajbir added, and it was back as 2700 BC. In fact, words such as chai and chini are from Chinese. Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century and was drunk. Means Chinese were the first who discovered tea leaves and they started drinking tea, and later it is spread to all over the world, including Asia. The train clattered into Mariani Junction, and the boys collected their luggage because they were ready to get down. Pranjal's parents were waiting for them, and soon they were driving towards Dekhiya Bari. It was tea garden. It is tea garden managed by Pranjal's father. An hour later, the car veered sharply off the main road. Then car started moving to the main road. They crossed a cattle bridge and entered into the Dekhiya Bari tea estate. On both sides of the gravel road were acre of tea bushes, and all neatly pruned and to the same height. Groups of tea pluckers with bamboo basket, because in bamboo basket they would keep tea leaves on their backs, and wearing plastic aprons were plucking the newly sprouted leaves. So those girls, they were plucking tea leaves and they had tied bamboo basket on their back and they were plucking tea leaves. Pranjal's father showed down to allow a tractor and pulling a trailer load of tea leaves to pass, and there was a tractor who was loaded of tea leaves and he was passing from there. This is the second flush or sprouting period. Means, isn't Mr. Barua? Rajbir asked. It lasts from May in July and yields the best tea. You seem to have done your homework before coming, Pranjal's father said in surprise. Yes, Mr. Barua, Rajbir admitted, but I hope to learn much more while I am here. But Rajbir added that I have learnt a lot when I am here. So this visit is very nice, and because Rajbir had never seen such type of greenery, tea plants, so he was very happy observing them, looking them. Okay, students. I will explain it next time, and I hope you would have understood well. Okay, Jai Hind and good night. Jai Hind, students.